It wasn't easy, but I thank God for His grace. Because
renowned Yoruba actor Lekan Olatunji has shared his harrowing experience of a life-threatening accident that left him hospitalized for 3 months and caused severe memory loss. In a heartfelt interview, Olatunji recounted how the accident affected both his personal and professional life. He revealed that his injuries were so severe that his skull was exposed, and he struggled to recognize people close to him.
Because it's not easy, I must tell you, to be in this industry for like 18 years and you still remain there. You don't have another thing doing, and God is really doing His great thing on you. So you have to be very happy and be grateful always, because there was a time I had an accident, so then it wasn't easy. But I thank God for His grace, because being in hospital bed for 3 months, my memory was lost. So I thank God.
You had a memory loss.
Yeah.
Like you couldn't remember major stuff.
Yes.
Wow.
So I thank God for His grace. At least here I am. So that's God for you.
That is God. So I'm kind of curious. This is me being curious right now. With the memory loss, well, how were you able to bounce back with this kind of job dancing in the industry? It has a lot to do with memory.
Ọlọ́run ni ká sọ wípé Ọlọ́run ni tí Ọlọ́run bá gba ọwọ́ àwọn doctors ṣiṣẹ́, a máa fún àwọn doctors yẹn ní grace tiwọn, a máa fún Ọlọ́run ní glory tiẹ̀, because a lot of even some doctors friends tí mo ní tó bá ti rí picture náà tá pé wọ́kọ́ ni mo rí tó sọ̀rọ̀ ni màá rò pé bóyá fíìmù tẹ́ ń ṣe ni, because one was call me by, you can see this way. One was call me by tó máa fọ́ ọkọ̀ bá. So and I thank God, because kò easy tó bá ń wí bí ni mo wí. So I went through series of surgery, like 6
major surgeries.
And I thank God for His grace. You can see this one. Oh yeah, then
Wow.
Surgery ló jẹ́ kó padà bí ó kàn surgery ló jẹ́ kó padà, you know. But thank God for His grace. So it's not easy, because coming out of that memory loss wasn't easy at all, I must tell you, because why not tearing, you know, have a lot of issues battering at the same time. So the memory, I was just sit down. Talent ó lè jẹ́ ọkẹ́ ta ni kí dẹ́n ṣe máa gbé wá wípé ẹni wá gbé màá máa bèrè pé ṣé kẹ́ni tí wá kí mi ni wọ́n á ní ta ni tẹ́ tó wà ń bí tẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ 2 hours 3 hours lánàá. Yes. So mo ṣáà ń fagídí gbogbo ògùn tó fún mi, mo ń lò mo ṣàgídí, so tí máa fẹ́ drive it wasn't easy, because pop wà ń bí ilé yóò ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa, tí bá ti ń drive màá tún fagídí, so I need to put someone sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi.
So mama navigate at some point.
So nítorí tí máa dá àárín kan gbé máa blank ni. Àkọ́ ní ibo la wà.
Wow.
Àsọfẹ́ ní ibo la wà. A rò pé báyìí okay ibo mo ní mò ń lọ.
Wow.
Báyìí kí ni mo ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe kọ́ báyìí okay let's go. Bá ti ó kàn padà díẹ̀ díẹ̀. So when I came back to the industry after the accident, wọ́n kàn kọ́ shoot fún mi. Níbo gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ọṣẹ́ mi wọ́n kàn kí lẹ́yìn báyìí mo kàn pé mo ní ẹ lé wọn dànù. Because tó bá ti fún mi lines yẹn, tí bá ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo ti gbàgbé.
Of course.
Tí bá ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo ti gbàgbé. But I thank God for His grace.
Thank God.
Fún oore ọ̀fẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. At least here you are now, and you are all by yourself. Thanks to God. Oh, thanks to God.
Olatunji's recovery was long and difficult, involving multiple surgeries and rehabilitation. Despite the struggles, his determination to return to acting never wavered. His resilience serves as an inspiration to many who face similar challenges. Adding to his hardships, the actor also suffered a personal loss with the passing of his wife in September 2023.